Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you my cleaning routine, and no joke, I literally cleaned my entire house with this one cleaner. It's called a thieves cleaner and mine is actually really low, so I'll just show you guys how I make it. So this thieves cleaner is from Young Living. It's so concentrated that you only need like one capful in this one 16-ounce bottle. It is totally natural. It has thieves oil in it, and literally, I'm not kidding you guys, it like beats out bleach as far as fighting off the icky stuff. Like in Petri dishes I've seen as far as experiments, it's really awesome, and I love how I can clean my whole house with it. It doesn't harm my body, it doesn't have weird chemicals, and it smells so good. I honestly enjoy cleaning. So then I will throw some kind of oil in my diffuser that's gonna just kind of purify the air and make everything smell fresh. So I decided to use some Citrus Fresh, and I will just get that going, and it just helps make my house smell even more clean as I'm cleaning, which I love that. So I decided to start off this spring cleaning in my kitchen, and I am just starting to wipe down all of the cabinets and all of the cabinet knobs just to get rid of any, gross stuff. And for the spring cleaning, I'm not gonna be showing you how I clean my entire house in this video because we would be here all day, but I'm gonna be sharing just bits and pieces of some of the spring cleaning that I've done around my house. So I love giving my stovetop a nice deep clean. I'll just remove all of these parts and I will spray it down with my thieves cleaner and just really wipe this area. Get rid of any grease or oil that is splattered, any food that is snuck down there, just kind of basically any debris. I will just really wipe it down and disinfect it. And then with my Thieves dish soap, I will just go ahead and scrub down all of the stove parts and make sure that they are super clean. Again, getting rid of any grease, oil, stuck on food, anything like that, that just kind of comes with the territory when you use your stove to clean. So once I have got those all rinsed off and scrubbed down, I'm just going to quickly dry them off and then place them back on my oven, so that is in working order. And then once I am done with that, I'm just going to replace our dish towel with a fresh clean one because necessities. And then I'm just going to continue moving on in our kitchen and just slowly scrubbing down all of the countertops really well and giving my Keurig a little love, wiping that down, and yeah, just pretty much wiping down all the countertops as well as the backsplash. And then the very last thing I like to do when I'm cleaning my kitchen is scrub the sink. I like to do this last. So again, just with that Thieves dish soap and a little sponge, I'm just cleaning it and scrubbing it really well, and then just wiping it down, all of the hardware and everything, with my Thieves spray cleaner. And then moving on to my family room, the first thing I'm doing is just grabbing all of our blankets and I'm going to wash them. So I'm just throwing them in the washer, and I love using, of course, my Thieves laundry soap. I love this because it's super concentrated and I only need a teeny tiny bit. Plus it doesn't have any fragrance or petrochemicals, formaldehyde, any of that stuff that's in most laundry detergents. I know, gross. So back to the living room, I am just straightening up, and now, of course, using my Thieves cleaner, just wiping down all of the surfaces like our coffee table, and also I will be wiping down our little TV table that I made. Love this little thing. So I'm just wiping this down again with my Thieves cleaner, super easy. And then I'm just picking up all of Rosie's toys. They seriously tend to get everywhere. They're all over our house, and just vacuuming. I feel like a lot of people love to vacuum, but I gotta say it is my most disliked cleaning task. Anybody else? I just do not like to vacuum. And while I'm here, I decided to water my little plants as well because they need some love. And then once my blankets are all done, I'm throwing them in the washer, and I actually use wool dryer balls instead of dryer sheets, which also have a ton of chemicals in them. And it's super easy. I just use this oil, a couple drops on there, I throw them in, and it makes my clothes smell amazing, and blankets, without, harming our bodies in any way. So moving on to the bathroom, how I clean our toilets is by using Thieves cleaner, and then I just sprinkle in a little bit of baking soda just to give it a little bit of extra boost, like a cleaning boost, but also just so that it's kind of a scrub. And I just let it sit there while I go ahead and clean the rest of the toilet, just spray it down. And I usually like to use paper towels for this because, I don't know, it's the toilet, it's kind of gross. So then I'm just wiping down the sink, countertop, all the hardware, things like that. And then I'm also just going to wipe down this as well, just so it's nice and clean. And yes, you can also use the thieves cleaner to clean mirrors. Literally, you guys, you can use it for everything. I'm not kidding, it's the best thing ever. I've thrown away literally all of my cleaners. All I have is thieves cleaner and baking soda. That's it. It's amazing. I save so much money now, seriously. So I'm just going back to the toilet and now wiping it down even more, scrubbing out all of the thieves cleaner / baking soda mixture. And then I am finishing off by just quickly vacuuming up this room. Any dust, hair, anything that has kind of fallen down here, I will just use my vacuum to get that up. And then I'm using this mop that I love. It's an OXO mop and you can put in whatever cleaner you want. So you bet I use a cap full of thieves cleaner and water. Super easy. Absolutely love this little mop. Thank you guys so much for watching this cleaning video. If you want to see more videos like this, definitely let me know down in the comments below. And of course, if you are new around here, I would absolutely love for you to subscribe. And you can also follow me on Instagram at Becca Bristow. I'm on there all the time and would love to hang out on there as well as here. But that is it for this video. Thanks again for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.